Hello friends, welcome to Ultimate Forex. Today we will discuss on gold. Let's see the zoom chart. As we have discussed, we are in a fifth wave. So this one is like this is one, two, three, and fourth we have completed at 1668, and this is the fifth wave. So let's go inside the fifth wave. So this is how I labeled. This is the total roadmap of fifth wave. See, we have started from 1668. So this one around wave one inside the fifth wave. This is wave two, and we are currently in a wave three. So wave three target I have described as a 1821. Then we may see complex correction, and complex correction target is 1794. Then we may see a fifth wave of the fifth wave. 1852. So we forecasted total 1668 to 1852, this fifth wave. So this is the fifth wave. So this is also the frustrated wave, and this rally is not as equal to swift as this third wave. You can see this third wave having a fast rally. You can see this fast wave very fast, but this fifth wave having a slowly. So see the Fibonacci ratio. You can see this is the 50 percentage correction. So we may see here this extension of the third wave is around 161, or it may go beyond the 161 also. So presently we forecast this third wave is 161.8 percentage of this first wave. So our target is 1823, around 1821, and the correction we forecast as this shallow correction. So this forecast we forecast this is as a 23 percentage of the third wave. So 23 around 1794. So our focus on this third wave target 1821, and this correction is up to the 1794. So now you focus on this level. So whenever you get any dip, you should buy only. So see, this is a move like a Darvas box resistance. Whenever this box broken, it's make new high. See, so our next high should be above 1786. If it's close above 1786 on an hourly basis, then we will see a next level 1807. 1807. Then we may see a 1821. So $20 jump we will see. So you can go inside this third wave also. So let's try to predict the inside of third wave. Inside of third wave. You can see this is 0, 1, 2, third either running, 4, 5. Let's try to count inside the third wave. See, this one is 1, 2. 2 is around 50 percentage. and this is also inside the third wave. One, two, three, four, and fifth is running. Mm, one, two, three, four, and fifth. So one, two, fifth. So this wave may ended here. 1788. And this wave, this is one, two, yeah. So this third wave is running. We don't know where it will complete. So wherever it complete, we get this fourth wave correction. So this third wave is inside the third wave. This third wave is running, and this wave's target is the third wave target is 1821. So either we may see around 1807 this correction complete this at 1807. Then we may see a correction, and then we may see a fifth wave. So it may like this 23 percentage correction around 1785. Mhm. So one wave should like this: one, two, three, four correction, then fifth. So this may the structure. So you alert here 1807 and correction up to the 1786, then fifth wave 1821. So hope you guys understand this wave analysis. Mm, this is how I label. Then again up to the 1794, then 1852. This is the roadmap of the fifth wave. If we close below below this is the third wave, fourth, fine. This fifth wave. If we close below 1733, then this forecast is avoid. So thank you guys for watching the video. See you soon.